Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, do you find it difficult to make notes during your online class? No worries, I am here for you. Today, in this video, I will tell you about making the most effective notes during your online class. Usually in our online class, we often mess up with our notes and we ourselves don't understand what we have written. No matters how our handwriting is, rather, your notes should be structured. That's why you should make effective notes in the classroom. These notes will help you when your school tests come around. Now the question arises, why should we make these notes in classroom? Firstly, it ensures that you actively listen to your teacher, then it requires you to think about what you are writing, you better understand the topics. And also, your fingers will be on your notebook rather than on your phone screen, scrolling YouTube, watching WhatsApp, and many other distractions. Secondly, you can review these notes at any time near your online test or school periodic test because in your exam days you have no enough time to read books line by line. You will connect to these notes better. Guys, you might have noticed your teacher saying that this particular topic is very important for exam point of view. So, you should add such things in your notes so that you prepare them well. Some note making essentials: A4 size sheets, some sketch pens, some highlighters, stapler and pins, and pen pencil scale. Okay, so I will tell you how to make notes. I use a bold color sketch pen to write down the heading of the chapter. You don't have to write down each and everything in your notes, just write in your own words in short form. Some people prefer writing free-handedly, but I don't like much spacing. Divide a sheet into two halves because it looks well structured and it utilizes more space. Don't use the connectives, just convert the sentences into short words. Do not make long paragraphs, it will give you a bookish look and you will not be able to find out the main concept, so write down in points. If you want to add any details, then highlight it. Don't waste your time deciding the colors, but use of colors can add clarity to your notes. You can underline the headings and subheadings. You can fill your notes with drawings and illustrations. If you don't like to write down in points, then you can use flowcharts, branching, etc. Leave some space for anything you want to add later on. If you need to see how things are connected, consider using mind maps. It makes information more memorable. Know your resources from where you have to make notes. But remember, just don't copy each and everything word by word, compress it in your own language. If there is any particular data to write down, such as timeline, years, exceptions, full forms, short forms, formulas, etc., then put them in a box so that they are easily accessible. Avoid these mistakes in your online classes. The first mistake you guys do is you collect the screenshots. Screenshots are of no use, they will just fill up your phone storage. But yeah, you can use them whenever you do not have time to write down a particular point, any formula, etc. Secondly, PDFs. PDFs are provided to you so that you can write down any point you missed in the class but you should do not entirely depend upon them. So, at last, I would like to share my notes so that you guys can get some idea for making your notes. You should prepare your notes by your own so that during revision you do not face any kind of problem.